Hi guys, I have something to share with you. Kasi actually, I've been eyeing on this product for a week now. And finally, nabili ko na siya ngayon. So, ito yung Dito Home Wi-Fi. As someone who's working from home, nag-struggle talaga ako sa internet. Kasi, syempre mag-isa lang ako. Mag-isa lang ako sa bahay. Hindi ako nagpakabit kasi it's hassle and mahal siya. So, I look for alternative. And while scrolling here on TikTok, nakita ko to. And then, I've tried it out. Ayan. Sabi dito, it is up to 100 Mbps, unlimited 5G data, and it is powered by true 5G. So, ginamit ko siya, and this is how it goes. If you are still struggling with slow Wi-Fi, lagging lag, buffering, dead zones, I think it's time for you to switch to Wi-Fi. Ayan. Meet Dito Home Wi-Fi, the newest way to stay connected at home without the hassle of wiring, installation, or long contracts. Ayan. As you can see, tatry ko siya dito sa YouTube. Ayan, try natin mag-next ng video. And as you can see, even though in-next ko siya, unlike any other Wi-Fi nag-buffer ng matagal, ito mag-play agad. Diba? Ganun siya kabilis. Sige, try natin in-next agad. Diba? Goods na goods. Actually, trinay ko rin siya sa TV ko. Ayan. Connected siya sa dito. Let's try streaming sa Netflix. Ayan. Tingnan natin kung mabilis din siya when it comes to Netflix. Okay. Yan, pili tayo ng video. Ito na lang. Yung una na yan. Big Hero. Yan, diba? Nag-play siya agad. Sige, try natin. Skip. So you can see, hindi siya nagbabuffer or naglo-loading. Nag-skip agad siya up to 10 seconds. Try naman natin next episode. Kung mag-play siya agad. There. Diba? As you can see, nag-play din siya agad.